Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can hook up your Spice Orange Japanese GameCube to be able to play your favorite Japanese GameCube games like Super Mario Sunshine and many other GameCube titles to play, and use a freeloader to play American ones. Play on a Japanese Spice Orange GameCube system. While doing that, I'm going to use my freeloader, which I'm getting this off of eBay next week or so. Let me hook up this GameCube real quick. Oops. Just a seckie. Let me just go to the commercials real quick. Just get this memory card right now. And just hook up this GameCube real quick. But yep, let me just hook this up real quickly. And finally got my Japanese Spice Orange GameCube right now. Now, the Spice Orange GameCube is now hooked up. Before I show you, be sure your GameCube model is DOL001. If it's DOL101, the freeloader will not work on the later GameCubes. It will only work with the earlier consoles like this one. And now, let me hook up this controller like this. Let me hook up this controller right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Now it's all figured out. Okay, here we go. Voila! And that's how you do that. So the Japanese GameCube is now a test.